VantageScore, founded by the Big Three bureaus, was founded in 2006 as an alternative scoring model to FICO. In contrast with FICO's credit scoring models, which are custom built for each of the three national credit bureaus to accommodate the structural differences in the bureau's databases. VantageScore model design allows a single model to operate on all three bureaus' data. VantageScore Solutions holds several patents on processes that ensure pieces of data within each bureau consumer database will be treated identically, regardless of difference in database structure.